A very good evening to all, and welcome to Kalanta 2012, the 8th annual fashion show by the graduating students of Hamstech. Hamstech has reached yet another milestone since its inception, and we are happy to have you here with us to celebrate in our success and joy. Before we begin with this visual treat, it is my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to the guest of honor, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and Minister for Higher Education and Technical Education, Sri Damodar Rajanarasimha Garu, the judges for the evening who are very well recognized and decorated in their respective fields, Ms. Shishma Reddy, Mrs. Alka Nishar, Ms. Priyanka Kaushik, and Mr. Nachiket Barve. A very warm welcome to our sponsors for the evening, Leonia Holistic Destination, AS Reddy Infratech Private Limited, Tibaramal Jewels, our TV partners, Gemini News, radio partners, Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM, media print sponsor, Deccan Chronicle, and print sponsor, Pragati Offset Printers, without whose support this event would still have been waiting in the wings. A special and a warm welcome to the parents, students, guests, members of the press and the media to Kalanta 2012. We wish to put on record that we do not rest on past laurels, but are always striving to achieve greater heights. We're extremely proud of our quantum leaps Hamstech has made by the way of qualitative work of our students. We are delighted to share with you some of our key achievements in the last year. In continuance with our association with JNAFAU for the 4-year bachelor's program in interiors, an additional feather in our cap in this semester's results is that our student has topped the college with a 91% aggregate. Thank you. This year has also seen the birth of Kalanta Interiors, an exhibition by the interior design students of Hamstech. This program was successfully launched on 22nd May 2012. In fact, the display that all of you have seen outside at the red carpet today has also been crafted by our ID students. This is in a futuristic theme. In the trophy design competition conducted by IIID Hyderabad chapter, our 1-year diploma students have won the award while competing with 5-year architecture students. We are proud to announce that a student who has showcased the works at Kalanta has taken his creative designs to the London Fashion Week and has won accolades at the international platform. We also wish to share that 4 collections from Kalanta 2011 have been selected to showcase at the Blenders Pride Hyderabad Fashion Week. Entrepreneurial skills in our students have paid good dividends. In the last year alone, 50 students have made their own production houses and are now proud owners of flourishing businesses that supply to leading fashion houses. In the retail job sector, we've been able to successfully place most of our students in leading companies like Tommy Hilfiger, United Colors of Benetton, Diesel, Shoppers Stop, and many others. Many designers and fashion houses are drawing from the Hamstech's student pool. Today, we at Hamstech are the leading resource providers for the fashion world and the interior design segment. I'm sure none of this would have been possible but for our dedicated faculty and staff. I take this opportunity to acknowledge and recognize their valuable inputs and in crafting our students into top-notch designers. Ladies and gentlemen, after this brief overview, it is with great pleasure that we now present Kalanta 2012. Sit back and soak in this display of creativity by our students. Have a wonderful time. May I now request our chief guest, the guest of honor, Mr. Damodar Rajanarasimha Garu, to please come and light the lamp along with us on the days. And can I also invite Neeta Lulla, the mentor and advisor of Hamstech, and our CEO, Mr. Yogesh Kumar. Have a wonderful time. Thank you.
Is now started there with our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Damodar Raja Narasimha.
Minister for Higher Education, in fact, Shri Damodar Raja Narasimha will do the honors. Well, it's now time to applause and give it your best. Kalanta 2012 is very auspiciously on its way. The entire electronic media is, of course, also waiting there anxiously to see that we are being lit. Yes, indeed. This time, we do have a flame. Kalanta 2012, ready to kickstart itself. Snita Lulla also lights one, and Managing Director, the CEO, I beg your pardon, of Hamstech, Mr. Yogesh Kumar, also lights one of the wicks there. Jita Reddy completes the quartet. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together one last time for our esteemed panel up there who have started Kalanta. And if we could request Mr. Yogesh Kumar to present the Honourable, Snita Lulla, in fact, is presenting the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, okay, for his presence here at Kalanta 2012. Our chief guest, Shri Damodar Raja Narasimha. Well, if we could request the august gathering to take their seats once again, and we will be ready to kick start Kalanta 2012. You can see over there the main menu.